Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So Canon is going to do a live stream for the announcement of the EOS R5 and EOS R6 on July 9, 2020. Lots of people have been asking me about my thoughts on the new cameras. As of this time, everything we know about the R6 is only on some rumor websites. So let's talk about the soon-to-be flagship camera, the EOS R5, based on the official information released by Canon. Let's get started. In this video, I won't go through every single spec because you can find hundreds of R5 preview videos on YouTube. I will be talking about some special features that made me very excited. First off, the EOS R5 is the first Canon camera ever have 5-axis IBIS in-body image stabilization. This is one of the most demanding features that Canon users have been asking for. Imagine how stable the camera is when you combine the IBIS in the camera and the IS from the lenses. You will be able to do handheld shooting at slower shutter speed than you usually do and still get sharp images, or you reduce the camera shake when shooting videos. Technically, I don't really need neither IBIS or IS when taking photos because of the way I do lighting and camera setup. But as a filmmaker, the IBIS will be a huge update for me. I'm currently shooting video with the RF 15 to 35mm LIS because my EOS R doesn't have IBIS and the digital IS is not impressive with the crop factor. So it is a need for my work if I want to use all of my non-IS lenses to shoot video. The next thing is that the R5 has dual card slot, one USS, two SD slot. Another one is the super high-speed CF Express slot. Thank you, Canon. Finally, they put two card slots in the camera. I'm sure all of the EOS R users like me have been waiting for this so badly. The CF Express card is really fast and also very expensive, but it is a must-have for the video recording, which is one of the special features I am going to discuss in a minute. The EOS R will come with an entirely new CMOS image sensor. As of this time, we don't know how large the sensor is, but I guess it could be around 45 megapixel. For me, 30 megapixel on the EOS R is enough for most of my regular photo shoots. If the job requires some high-end quality, I would go up to medium format cameras. There is a new digital image processor that comes with the R5, and it is very interesting because that the EOS R5 can shoot up to 20 frames per second using silent shooter, same as the 1DS Mark III. I don't shoot anything like sport, events, or wildlife wedding, but though need the high speed, but it is definitely great for other photographers. The most surprising feature is that the EOS R5 can shoot internal uncropped 8K videos up to 29.97 frames per second and 4K video up to 119.9 frames per second in 422 10-bit C-Log. Canon has set the standard of video ability of mirrorless camera to the next level. With that being said, I can now see how the CF Express card and the large CMOS image sensor make sense. Also, the dual pixel CMOS AF is available in on 8K and 4K modes. I don't see 8K video is necessary for most people yet, but 4K 120 frames per second video is a dream for many filmmakers, including me, who only able to shoot 120 frames per second in 720p with the EOS R now. There are some other things that are interesting too, but not really major changes, such as the new battery, no more touch bar, bring back the wheels, astonishing autofocus, and subject detection. In my opinion, if you are a photographer, the EOS R5 might not be a necessary upgrade, but if you are a filmmaker, it will be a game changer and it gives a ton of benefit to your work. So we don't know about the price of the EOS R5 yet. How much do you think Canon is gonna charge us for the new EOS R5? My guess is around $3,500, give or take. Let me know your guesses in the comment down below. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!